Beef stew used with some of the filet scrap meat, tomatoes, little Parisian potatoes, carrots, and rutabaga. And that's going to go over a Yorkshire. I've got cilantro in there. Filet meat. A bit of salt and pepper. Add a little bit of a red wine. Just so you can glaze it, you don't want a whole lot. A couple pieces of garlic. Now I made up some, just a little bit of a red wine, Espanol, just a little bit of red wine beef sauce. Now I've got some goat's milk cheese. That's just fresh goat's milk from the area. It's got a little bit of a tang, so I'm going to just top it with a little bit of that. And that will be what we finish with. Okay, so now we're just going to assemble the plate. I've got little Yorkshire puddings done. These are wonderful. They're also called little popovers. In England, they're always served with a beef stew. Hi, I'm Jennifer Pensoneau, chef owner of J.Fires Market Bistro, and this is our beef stew with Yorkshire pudding for Saturday night steak specials.